So today we are solving inequalities in one variable. An inequality compares two values if one is less than or greater than. Or it can also do, no. So it's showing if one value is less than or greater than, and basically it's just showing us that one is not equal to another value. Make sure your guys' phones are away. Okay, so this symbol means, do you guys remember? You should have seen this before.
That means less than.
Yes, less than. And then the symbol for greater than goes the opposite way. Okay. This symbol, does anyone know what this one means? Yep. Yeah. Yeah, just one. Okay, and then the other sign is greater than or equal to. Okay, so how are the solutions of an inequality different from the solutions of an equation? Equations only have one solution. That makes it true. And I'm going to be writing a second sentence. I'm just going to give you guys time to copy. Okay. Inequalities have many solutions that make it true. No. I just haven't printed it yet. Oops. You guys should be quiet while we're taking notes. Okay, so the steps to solving inequalities are similar to solving equations. So we want to make sure we always have our variable on the left side when we're solving. This will make it easier to graph it. Okay. So we will be graphing our final inequality on a number line. Put your tech deck away. Okay, so what kinds of circles am I going to use with these ones when I'm graphing? Hunter? What kind of circles go with this? Open or closed? Open. So when I graph them, it's going to have a circle that looks like that. And then the ones below are going to get closed, because those can include that answer. So these ones get filled in. Okay, so this one wants me to solve this equation. What kind of circle am I going to have when I go to graph it? Yeah. Can you wait till I finish this? Okay, so I want to go ahead and solve this. What is the first thing I want to do here? I'm going to copy it down. But besides that, what is the first thing I want to do? Distribute. So what's negative 4 times 3x? Negative 4 times negative 1. And then I still have the plus 6x is greater than or equal to 16. Okay, I'll do that in just a second. I'm going to give some people time to copy down. So because the negative 12x and the 6x are on the same side, I can just combine them together like normal. So what's negative 12 plus 6? Negative 6x. What do I want to do next? How do I get rid of the 4? Okay, so I'm going to subtract it on both sides. What is 16 minus 4? 12. Okay, and is x completely alone yet?
Nope.
What do I need to do? Okay. Do you guys remember what happens when we divide with negatives and inequalities? Okay. So when we multiply or divide, well, then you would have had to tell me if you said yes. By a negative, you flip the inequality sign. So instead of being a greater than or equal to, it's going to turn into a less than or equal to, and then 12 divided by negative 6. Okay, so that's my inequality. It's a less than or equal to. Okay, so I want to put this on a number line. I am going to put 3 numbers. I want the number that's my solution in the middle, and then 1 number to each side. And then as you guys told me, this is going to get a closed circle. And which way is... Huh? Okay, so which way is my arrow going to go? To the left or to the right? it's actually going to go to the left. So if I look at the symbol, this is the reason I want the X on the left, because the symbol matches the way the arrowhead is. Here's the backside. The steps to solving inequalities with variables on both sides is similar to solving equations with variables on both sides. I should be the only one talking right now. Okay, so again, we want to make sure to always have our variable on the left side. And then we want to graph our final inequality on a number line. Final? Yeah. Okay, so what kind of circle am I going to use when I graph this one? Close. Okay, so I want to go ahead and solve it. I'm going to start off by copying this down again. Okay, so what's the first thing you want me to do?
Get the 1.5 to the left side.
Okay. I'm going to subtract the 1.5x on both sides because I want my variable on the left. What is 3.5 minus 1.5?
2.
So I have 2x plus 19 is greater than or equal to negative 7. And then, Ozzy, what were you saying?
Yeah, minus 19.
I'm going to subtract the 19 on both sides. What is negative 7 minus 19? Okay, then what do I need to do? So, do I flip the sign here?
Yeah.
Did I divide by a negative number?
No.
No. So the sign is going to stay the same. And then negative 26 divided by 2? Greater than or equal to? So I want to go ahead and graph this on my number line. What kind of circle did I say I was going to use?
Close.
And which way is my arrow going to go? To the left or the right?